Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicked off my tinker day. Took Panther to have the exhaust modified. Get the piece made to swap in with a resonator. So I got a V-band at the end of the downpipe, and then I have a reducer from 3" to 2.5 going to my resonator. Then my resonator is attached to my exhaust that clamps in right behind the where the cat used to clamp in there. So it's a removable piece, can be swapped out with the cat. Use it for drag strip days. Wink wink. Anyway, I'm walking back to pick that up from a Sandia muffler shop. A couple of places decided to use this one, Sandia. Now I should have my boost in Panther. Hopefully it's not any louder. So let's go in there, take care of my bill here. Looks like they were able to unbolt my old stuff, and what they did I'll show you in a little while, but I'm gonna get this cut this off right here, grind this V-band adapter position back down proper, and use this on Queen Bee. So that's what I took off, and I'm going back on with the insert. There we are, 391,921. The hope is that the Panther really isn't any louder than it was. So let's fire her up, see how she sounds. Doesn't sound bad. Sounds about the same. Let's go ahead and take her for a spin. I don't think it's any louder, which is good. So hopefully it'll give me my boost back, and won't have no issues with it. At 850, gonna give it a tune-up. Wires, cap, rotor, oil change. Oh, I hope I brought this fuel line, because I need to replace that as well. So let's see what we got. Get cracking. Here we go again with these aftermarket wires. Ultimate heat protection, made in USA. 3 out of 5 of them came apart. Again, oil up here is not that uncommon. Sop it up. Shouldn't be this bad in 5,000 miles out. Check the cap seal and go from there. I have the top of the engine cleaned off. I pulled all the Bosch plugs out, getting ready to gap the new plugs. But I'm going to go ahead and stick a camera down here, see what the top of these pistons look like. I know this car has been neglected. Finally, another car with the carbon buildup like mine. That's piston number 1. I'm going to check the other ones real quick and see if they get carbon buildup as well. Here we go with the oil change. Nothing on the dipstick. It's horrible. Let me get under here and get this oil done. Can't believe it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.